I make more than $1,000 passive income using OctaFX CopyTrade. Here is the screenshot of my copy trading account. So, in this video, I will explain what is copy trading and how to create copy trading account in OctaFX. Let's jump to the video. Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trade Club. In this video, I will explain about the OctaFX copy trading. But before we start, if you like to learn about trading strategy, Forex robot, and the other trading stuff, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now I will start from what is a copy trading. Copy trading in Forex is a type of trading that allows traders to directly copy the trades of other successful and more experienced traders. The idea behind copy trading is to leverage the expertise of successful traders to make profit without having to engage in the actual trading process. The trader's account is linked to the account of the trader they are copying, and every time the latter makes a trade, the former's account automatically executes the same trade. OctaFX CopyTrading is a service offered by OctaFX, a Forex broker which allows traders to copy the trades of other successful traders in the Forex market. The service aims to make it easier for traders, especially those who are new to Forex trading, to learn from and profit from the expertise of successful traders. You can make passive income using CopyTrade feature. Now, I will explain how to register an OctaFX account. Go to the link in the description below and sign up on OctaFX. First, we need an OctaFX account. Click the Open Account at the top. Now, enter your first name, last name, email, and create your password. Don't forget to check the I am not a robot column. Then, click Open Account. Now, check your email for your account activation link. You can create an MT4 or MT5 account. You can create demo MT4 account because we don't need this for a copy trading option. Then verify your profile with using ID card or your driver license. If you have questions, you can contact me in my Telegram. I put the link in the description below. Now, I will explain how to do the copy trade. Now, go to copy trading option. You can see the master trader list available to do a copy trade. I will give one recommendation of master trader that have been certified for more than 1 year. My master trader recommendation is Bull Profit. This copy trade is certified for more than 365 days or 1 year. It makes 66% profit in 6 months. Why I recommend this master is because I make more than 100% profit after following this master trader. You can see the details of this master in the bottom menu. Because this is the first video about copy trading, I will focus on how to copy this master. To copy this master, click Set up Copying. Change to equal ×1 and enable the Add Support Fund option. Make the total to $200 or $300 because of the master trader recommendation. Click Start Copying. Now, when the master enters the trade, you will automatically follow the trade. So that's all about how to copy trade in OctaFX. If you have questions about how to sign up in OctaFX or have a question about the copy trade, just contact me in the description below. I will create a series about OctaFX CopyTrading in the future, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. See you in another video.